Hello, hi, this is Elwin here, and welcome to the TradeYourEdge.com YouTube channel. Right, if this is the first time here, welcome. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and make sure that you check to receive the notifications. So this is my weekly commentary, and I'm going to start with the euro-dollar currency pair. So in front of me, I have the weekly chart. The weekly chart showing the euro-dollar. Looking at a bigger time frame, I'm looking at a potential change in direction. So in the longer trend, it has been on a downward channel. There is no confirmation that this is going to continue to go higher or lower, but the downward trend has been ongoing for many years. Specifically, started 2008 since the financial crisis in Lehman Brothers, and it's been coming down since for a long time. Nonetheless, looking at the patterns, I am looking at a potential downward channel, and price is, if you can see on my mouse, is testing a upper part of the channel. It's very interesting as well because we have a new lower high compared to this section here. Let me draw it out. So a higher low, sorry, a higher low on this section, and price has moved up. It is still on a lower high. And what will be interesting is once this price breaks above this level. For now, as I speak, there's a potential that it's going to go higher in the sense it's going to break up the channel. It is testing a horizontal level around 1.19. Very interesting levels. So that's the situation. So coming back down here, if I were to look at my price patterns, I've got myself in a pretty nice range. This This is the previous high. The previous high was around August this year. Price has been ranging. Give me a double bottom. It's not really ranging if I were to go into smaller patterns, but for those of you who are not familiar, I would assume this is a range pattern. What is interesting is while it is ranging within a certain duration, specifically in the last few weeks last few months since COVID-19 has started, technically it has been moving higher and higher. So once price goes above this level, the level that I'm looking at is around 1.2. Once it goes above that, then I would assume that this is a bullish market continuation. Based on the last low around last low was at the start of COVID-19, while kind of early stage of COVID-19, which is March 2020. This price continues to go higher. It moved higher this week. I would like to see it break above with conviction. Look for a pullback before I take it long. All right, so that's my price pattern. If I will look at the 4-hour chart, actually, the 4-hour chart is been moving higher and higher very slowly. It's moving, so it's actually not still. So in the smaller time frames, it's trending. In the bigger time frames, it's testing, and so on and so forth. Right. So that's price action 101. Right, and that's euro dollar for you. Next, we have pound dollar or pound sterling. Looking at the weekly chart, looking at the weekly chart, I have a descending triangle. Descending triangles are a little bit harder to demystify. Horizontals are clearer cuts, but there's no clear indication of a strong horizontal yet, except the last double top that you see on my screen, which was the first high was December 2019, and the second one was around around August 2020. So these two gave me a nice double top. Will it continue to go higher? I've drawn up a very nice box. I'm expecting this to range a little bit more. Will this happen? We'll see. Price is not, there's no conviction in going long. I suppose it hasn't tested this 1.3 level yet. 1.34. It hasn't tested the 1.34 level yet. So until it breaks above it with conviction, no strong indication. I would just take it as a range pattern. Now, next is we have gold. For those who are not aware, gold was testing a $2,000 mark, and it has given me some very nice pattern. A descending triangle pattern is always an indication of a reversal or continuation. I know, it's not very helpful, but what I'm looking at really is a consolidation pattern to look for a breakout trade. If I were to draw this very carefully, then I have a potential breakout already. In fact, you can see a very small pullback at the smaller time frame, just around that level. So for me, what I'm looking at is for it to go lower, give me a pullback, and I'll take it short. I wasn't available on this today, so I didn't really take the trade, but that is something I would have taken. A very nice small little trade there. Okay, last but not least, we've got Euro Pound. Euro Pound is my favorite cross, which doesn't do much, and that's the idea. I'm looking for a range pattern to trade, and this was it. As of right now, there's nothing much. I will have to wait for price to go lower, come back here to retest the ceiling, or my target is the floor here before it bounces up. This is the range pattern I'm looking, and that's really what I'm trading. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you very much. I hope you find this useful. Make sure to post any question if you have any, and I'll speak to you very, very soon. All right, thank you.